How to export your Gemini data. This tutorial shows you how to download a copy of all your Gemini activity through Google Takeout. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to takeout.google.com. From there, tap Deselect All to uncheck everything that's selected by default. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Gemini and tap the checkbox next to it to select it. At this point, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Next Step. Following this, tap the drop-down under Destination to choose where you want your export sent. From here, you have a few options. You can select Send Download Link via email to get a download link straight to your inbox, or you can choose to export directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, or another supported service. After that, select your preferred file type for the export. At this stage, tap Create Export to submit your request and give it some time to process. Google will send you an email once your export is ready. Finally, open the email, tap the zipped file, and download it to your device to access all your Gemini data. Keep in mind that the export may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on how much data you have saved. That's how you export your Gemini data. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.